Hi all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a Longchamp unboxing, but first, if you love handbags, then I'm sure you love handbag accessories as well. I just want to let you know that Zari Collections has a special sale going on, so make sure to check it out. Everything is linked down below. Also have a special discount code for my YouTube friends, so on top of the sale you will get an extra 10% discount off. That is a discount that is also valid for the regular priced items. If you are looking for straps, chains, charms and other handbag accessories, check it out. Even if you're not looking for something special right now, just check it out to see what is available, and make sure to check it out every now and then anyway, because the website is updated on a regular. So we've seen this item together, you and I, when I went to the Longchamp shop. I think like in November last year they came out with this item. I told you I love it. It's a little bit small, I'm not 100% sure, but I do really like the item. So now it was on sale and I made sure I got it immediately. I did get it from the Bijenkorf, which is our department store here in the Netherlands, because I still had a gift card, but whatever, let's open it up. So I'm so curious, you all. So as I was editing this video, I noticed that the audio cut off here. Also, it is not syncing, but I didn't want to do the video all over since this was a true unboxing. Later in the video, the audio will be there again. Anyway, here is the bag. It is the Le Foulonné extra small handbag in the beautiful orange color. I went for the orange color because a few weeks ago, if you've seen my shop vlog, we went to Bijenkorf and I checked out some Coach bags, and they have this lovely super vibrant orange color, a new color, and I was surprised by how much I loved it. So I thought, why not get this one in orange, because I was looking at the pink one before, but I think that the orange maybe is more suitable for me. The bag is absolutely stunning. I do have to say it is smaller than I thought it was. Of course, I've only seen it once or twice in the Longchamp shop, and for some reason I thought it was still big enough for a large iPhone to fit. But as you will see later, it is a bit small. I do really love the structure, the design of this bag. It is made out of leather. I love that it has these D-rings, so you can attach any chain or strap that you want. I also love the standing handles, as you can dress it up with scarves or charms, and I just love that look generally. That's why I love the pouch with handle a lot, and the Le Pliage top handle in size small, and also the Louis Vuitton Alma BB. I just love that type of look. I have this chain. See, I love this. This is what I showed you that time as well, when I told you that I purchased a chain separately from a Longchamp, which is, I believe it's like 100 euros or $120, I believe, I don't know, but that I would definitely dress it up with this goldy chain because it is super shiny. I absolutely love how luxurious this chain looks, and I had in mind that I would pair it with this bag pochette. This is the mini pochette inside, you all. If you've been watching my channel, you know that like when I'm running errands, the things I absolutely need are my two phones, my mini pochette, which has like my cards and whatever in it, and just my keys really. But as you can tell, it already barely fits, you all. Okay, anyway, let's attach this chain. So it has these dear final verdict. I love this bag so much. For a moment I thought, I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it, because for some reason I thought that my phone could easily enter inside. So as you can tell, it sticks out a little bit, including the mini pochette. Yeah, so I am going to keep it, of course, because it is such a cutie. Maybe it's not the most practical bag, but we'll just see how it, you know, as we go, we'll see how it goes. And I thought, like, if I'm out and about, maybe I can see a scarf, make it a bit more pickpocket proof, whatever. I don't know, girl. Okay, let me know what you think. I know it's a bit small, but so come up with another video and show you how I will style this cutie. Oh, there's so many options. Oh my god, you know I love handbag accessories, you know. So don't forget to check out azaricollections.com. The link is in the description box and also pinned in the comments. Thanks for watching, and